Hello friends, welcome to Programming Knowledge. We are continuing the React Native series, and in this video we are going to learn how you can use list component in your app. So whenever you have a list of items or a list of numbers, or whenever you need to display a list of some components, then you can use this list component that provided by React Native. So first of all, create a new project. I already created one. So create a new project and open it Visual Studio Code. Okay, so let me just run it. For that, we need to write npm start, and you can view this output in Android simulator or iOS simulator. So I already opened the iOS simulator. You can also use the Android simulator. Okay, so Metro Bundler is started. Let me just run on simulator. If you are using an Android simulator, then you need to click on this. Okay, so our app is started now. We don't have any component right now, so you are not seeing anything. So let me just first create an array or list so that we can use it to display on this screen. Okay, so we are going to use state. Let's say fruit function to set fruit. In this we are going to use an array. Let's say apple, mango, uh, and let me just again use mango. Okay, so this is our list. We have created a list of fruits, or you can say array of fruits. So we can cycle through these array one by one, and for that we have a specific function provided by React Native. It's called map function. So in the view we use fruit because it's our array. We can use the map function. Okay, so this is how we can use the map function. So first of all, you need to understand a very important thing about list is that in list it may be possible that you have multiple same components. Like here mango occurs 2 times, so there needs to be an method that React can identify that uh, this list members are all individual. So for that you need to use a unique key for each of the element. So we need to provide a key as well. Okay, so now we have 5 elements and all the elements have a unique key. So here we can display the elements. So we will return okay, so now we return the elements that we have created in our fruit list. So first of all, we create a view component. Then we create a text component. And in text component, we will be displaying all these elements. So first of all, we need to give it a name. So every item in this list, when map function cycles through it, will be calling item. You can name it whatever you want. So we want item and the name of it, because this is an object, so we need to write the name. So let me just save it. Okay, so here as you can see, we have all the elements that we have created, and we also got a warning that each child in a list should have a unique key. So in view component, we need to specify the key, that the specific key element belongs to the key element, the item. As you can see, the warning has gone. So this is basically how you can create all the elements. So let me just styling a little bit. Style is equal to, let's say, item, and we'll be creating this item here. Okay, let me just increase the font size to, let's say, 22. Background color, let's say yellow. Margin top, 20. Padding, let me just save it. As you can see, we got the list of elements. So let me just remove this one. Okay, now that's better. Okay, so let me just create some more elements so that we can fill up the list. Let me just banana. Let me also repeat orange. Okay, so but we need to give the unique key. Let me just refresh it. Okay, let me just give the margin top, so 30. Last will be orange. Okay, so this is I wanted to show you that the list exceeds our screen space. So the last one is the orange, but here we got the banana as the last. So mango and orange two are at the bottom of the screen, and as you can see, we can not scroll it. So when your list component has when your list component has more elements that you can fit on the single screen, then you need to use the scroll view so that user can able to scroll. First we need to import, then we need to enclose the entire fruit list in scroll view. So hopefully now we can scroll it down, as you can see. So this is how you can use a list element, and using map function you can cycle through all the elements that you created in the list. This is basically is more useful when you create a app like to-do list, where you need to uh, create a list of tasks that user created. You can also use this to go for service app, that what type of services the app provides, and you can list down all. So that's for this. Okay. Thanks for the watching.